Larkspur, Consolida spp, is a stunning flowering plant that adds elegance and vertical interest to gardens and landscapes. Growing larkspur flowers from seed is a rewarding and cost-effective way to cultivate these beautiful blooms. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to successfully grow larkspur flowers from seed, ensuring a vibrant and enchanting garden display. Selecting the right seeds. Start by acquiring high-quality larkspur seeds from a reputable supplier or local nursery. Look for fresh seeds, preferably of the cultivar or color variety that appeals to you. Choosing the planting time. Larkspur is a cool season flower that thrives in spring and early summer. The ideal time to sow larkspur seeds is in late fall or early spring, allowing them to undergo a period of cold stratification for opti. Preparing the planting area. Select a location with full sun or partial shade. Larkspur prefers fertile, well-draining soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.5. Prepare the soil by removing weeds, rocks, and debris, and loosen it to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. Sowing the seeds. Scatter the larkspur seeds over the prepared soil, aiming for an even distribution. Lightly press the seeds into the soil or cover them with a thin layer of fine soil, as they require some darkness for germination. Maintain a spacing of approximately 12 to 18 inches between each seed. Watering and moisture. After sowing the seeds, water the area gently but thoroughly to provide ample moisture for germination. Keep the soil consistently moist throughout the germination period, ensuring it doesn't dry out. Avoid overwatering, as it may lead to seed rot or fungal diseases. Germination and early care. Larkspur seeds typically germinate within 14 to 21 days. Once the seedlings emerge, thin them to ensure proper spacing, leaving the healthiest and strongest plants. Aim for a spacing of 12 to 18 inches between each plant to allow air circulation and prevent overcrowding. Harvesting and seed saving. Allow some larkspur flowers to mature and produce seed pods. As the pods turn brown and start to split, harvest them and allow them to dry completely. Collect the seeds and store them in a cool, dry place for future use or to share with other gardening enthusiasts. Growing larkspur flowers from seed is an enjoyable and rewarding experience. By following these step-by-step instructions, you'll be well on your way to a vibrant garden adorned with the enchanting beauty of larkspur. With proper care and maintenance, you can enjoy these elegant blooms and their delicate fragrance throughout the spring and early summer months.